Matt with GolfCartingTV. I am here, been here before, but I'm here again, and we're getting the details. This is Mike and Joe with Kart Life TV.
That's right.
Thrilled to be here. We're at the shop, which is Low Speed Living in Boca Raton. Guys, good to see you again.
Always
as
good
usual.
to see you,
This
Matt.
is good stuff.
Nice to see you.
You guys have done a great job on the YouTube channel. We started like 4 years ago? When did you do the?
I think 3 or 4 years ago.
3 years.
Yeah.
I think 3 years ago. Yeah, we
so
did
we
the
did
trip.
on the lead up.
2003.
So these
23.
guys drove a gas DS cart that had been totally built up to the degree that it could be at the point.
Yeah.
And drove it from Boca Raton to Key West, Florida.
225 miles.
225.
One day.
Like 11 hours?
10
10
hours.
hours.
10 and a half, I think.
Yeah.
So we started, the first time that we talked to you guys was pre that.
Yes.
So we did like
that
a
was
pre, hey, you
before
guys
that.
gotta do this.
It was
Yeah.
crazy,
Yeah.
right? It was.
And then we did
time
so
ago.
then you recorded some while you're on the trip, and then you did the actual trip.
Yeah.
Came back and we did an after, like how it went and all that kind of stuff. And then here you are, 3.5 whatever years later. You've got your own shop. You've got
Look at all this.
tens of thousands of
all
subscribers on YouTube, and I mean, this is fantastic. So give me the 5-minute version of what the heck's been going on in 3 years.
Oh my gosh. We went from his garage
Yeah.
to this shop. That's the quickest way to say it.
Yeah, it went by quick.
It's been crazy.
Every day, it's funny because we've been talking about it a lot. You know, like every day we're like, what's going to happen today? You know,
Yeah.
because every day I feel like something new with the business is happening, and just kind of it's like been like this crazy like organic growth.
Yeah.
You know, and a lot of that is thanks to our subscribers on YouTube
sure.
and people like you who really helped us in the beginning. You were the first one that like reached out and was like, I have this golf carting TV.
It's fun.
Let's do something. And I remember we were
We're so excited to do that.
we were so excited and nervous and everything else. We're like, oh my gosh! And then that we got in the Golf Carting magazine.
Yeah,
and
December
had the
issue, right? I think it was.
Well, this
December
last December,
20,
but
yeah,
once
December 20.
once before you,
yes.
we were in there when we were planning
you
our
did the
trip,
trip, right.
And that was probably one of the coolest things we've ever experienced.
Yeah,
Because we went to
definitely.
Publix down the street and bought that
Got the
magazine.
magazine, yeah,
And
that's
so that was going back 3 years, and in the last 3 years, I think that it's just been like it's far exceeded anything we thought it was ever going to be. Like when we started this, we were like,
We're just gonna sell T-shirts.
we're going to sell Kart Life T-shirts.
Yeah.
We're like, let's
That
start
was
a
it.
lifestyle brand. We love golf carts. There's a great community here. You know, there's great communities all over the country. Golf carts are getting really popular. We were just coming out of COVID at the
Yep.
time. I think
Yep.
COVID was actually still kind of lingering a little bit
Yeah.
in 23, and we just had this idea. You know, his mother bought his wife a sweatshirt with the golf cart on it. We're like, oh, that's so cool. You know, let's make more.
Yeah.
So we started Kart Life. And one of the things we were trying to figure out was like, how are we going to market this to people? And Joe showed up at my house one day. I was like, dude, let's drive this golf cart to Key West. And I already knew he was going to be like, let's do it.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I don't say
he
no
was like,
very often.
I was like, if anyone's going to do this, it's going to be Joe. And he was like, hell yeah, let's
awesome.
do it. We'll use that as a way to market the Kart Life brand,
And it worked.
We started the
Yeah.
Kart Life TV YouTube channel, and thank God it worked. And
that was part of that. So that original conversation we had, then led into the trip, then led
Yes.
into afterwards, then led
just
into an audience.
building that cart.
Yeah,
And
the
then we
process.
went to the 11, Mike's
red
red cart, and we're like, all right, we need to build a new cart so we can go farther and do more stuff.
Yeah.
And that's how we got into building carts, really.
Explain
is
to me the
building it.
numbers. I've heard you call them by numbers.
Oh.
Explain that to me.
11 was the golf course number.
you know the
It's
number you peel
11.
off your
got
golf
it.
cart.
Okay.
Yeah, it was the fleet
Yeah.
number.
Mine's number 2.
Okay.
It was 2.
I've heard you
on the
call
golf
them that.
course.
Okay.
Everyone asks that. They're, why do you
awesome.
call it 11? Do you like Stranger Things?
That's-
Yes, I do like Stranger Things a lot. I thought that show was great.
Yeah.
Coincidentally, my cart number, my fleet number was 11
Very cool.
when that cart
Okay.
came in.
Yeah.
So we just kind of stuck with it. But building 11 really, like, honestly, 11 was the really kicked off like the business building
And
golf
that's what you
carts.
built that one after you built the one that you took to the Key West. right?
Yeah.
That was the second one you did
Yeah,
after
because
that.
the DS were like, we got to retire that thing. It's had enough.
Yeah.
So
Yeah,
we're
she
like,
was
let's
tired.
build a new one.
She was tired, and we put her away for a while. Like she was on the side of my house, kind of just undercover for.
Probably till like 2 months ago.
Yeah, but 11 really led.
Yeah, we didn't do 11 to be like, all right, we're gonna start building golf carts.
No,
We were doing it for
I
ourselves.
was in San
promote.
Antonio for a football game, and a local Boca resident who I know very well for a long time called, and he's like, "Hey, you want to build me a golf cart? I've been watching your channel, and what you did with the red one was awesome. I want you to build one for me, for my family. And I called Joe. I was like, hey, do you want to do this? He's like, absolutely. So we built, that's what set off.
That's
that
the
was
first.
the first one, and it was that
build for somebody
Yamaha.
else.
It was that really, really high-end, expensive Yamaha with the House of Colors paint. Every single option you could think of, the best of the best. Like, he did not spare a dime on it.
Yeah.
And this was also before we had the store, so we were buying everything from you.
And doing it, that's right. Converting carts,
Yes.
right? Yeah, before you got, that's right.
Quite a bit of those parts were
a lot
from
of
you. So a lot has changed since then. Yep. We have a full
I
showroom
know.
stocked with parts.
Yeah.
People could come here, pick up stuff, and they do. Like, people need mirrors or wheels. We've got tons of rims in
got
stock,
wheels.
and this isn't
Yeah.
all of it. We have a whole storage unit full of gear too.
And
so.
cartlife.com.
Cartlife.com,
Cartlife.com.
lowspeedliving.com. They both work.
Yeah. And so Low Speed Living, just to kind of tell the story, but Low Speed Living is the shop, right? That's
Right.
what you call the shop here in Boca Raton.
Yes.
Low Speed
You can come in
Living.
here. You can come see the guys. You can buy stuff here. You can meet up. They
Yeah,
have
we have
events
subscribers
here.
come all the time.
Yeah, we love
It's
it
great.
too. We love when
Yeah.
people stop by.
It's great.
so.
It's very cool.
Yeah, everyone you stop by the shop, you get a free T-shirt.
There you go.
100%. Everybody gets a free T-shirt, selfie, whatever you guys want.
That's awesome.
Stickers. We send people home happy.
Now, what I've seen as far as focus goes, at least what it sees from the outside, is that a lot of, although you mentioned the Yamaha just now, but a lot of what you guys build tends to be on the club car side of it. Is that
Yes.
is that intentional or not? But that just kind of happens to be what you focused on.
I would say 90% of the stuff we do.
Yeah.
Which is funny. We have a Yamaha in the shop right now.
We do. We have Jake Lancaster. Shout out to Jake. I know he watches all your stuff. We have his Yamaha
Thanks, Jake.
here. We're waiting for some seats for it so we can get it out the door. But yeah, I think club car.
Just our area.
And once you know, obviously with the
the
aluminum chassis
and
and
you
the-
learn a brand and you stick
Right.
with it. And there's like the guys that are easy-go enthusiasts and diehards, and there's the Yamaha people who won't drive anything else, and then there's all the other guys. And you know,
when you know that, it
the
does
club
make it a
car,
lot easier to work on
It
them. And
makes it a ton easier. We
Yeah.
know, like, oh, I'm taking that off. It's a 13 millimeter.
Right.
You grab it and you go.
You know,
Like, we
you
can
know-
strip a cart in 20 minutes.
Right.
down to
Yeah.
the frame.
Yeah, that's
Yep.
awesome.
Yeah, it's really nice, and you know, once you know something, it's
Right.
like the back of your hand.
Right.
You know, so
Well, what's next? What's next for Cart Life and
man.
Low Speed Living? Like, what are you guys doing with the business, and where do you want to go?
I don't know, man. That's a tricky question, honestly.
just trying to
Honestly, right now, just trying to maintain what we got.
Yeah, survive and then
honestly,
and then
we both still have other jobs.
Right.
You know, that's everyone who watches our channel knows that
Knows
this
it,
isn't
yeah.
our main thing. This is our like passion project and our
Yeah.
hobby, and something we really love and enjoy doing, and hopefully one day it can be.
I
Like
guess
our
that's the
full-time gig.
ultimate goal.
That would be the
is
goal,
be
is to make
full-time.
Is to
Okay.
make that scary jump and leave the
Right.
careers behind or whatever to come do this,
Yeah.
which would be great.
Yeah.
I think that would be awesome. But in the meantime, I think we're just going to keep building the brand, keep being involved in the community, keep going to awesome events like the Sanford Kart Fest. We're going to
Excited.
hopefully get some more. I know we keep talking about it, but doing some more community events here. Hopefully make it to the expo. I know we're going to be at the PGA show this year. There's a lot of buzz
Yeah.
about that.
Yeah.
It's going to be. We got a lot of stuff looking forward to this year. I know we have a lot of customers, carts coming in that we have to build, and we got stuff coming out of the shop that we have to finish. And I feel like when we get caught up, more stuff just gets piled on us. Remember,
Yeah,
like
we were
last
like,
week,
oh,
a week
we were
ago,
like,
we were like,
oh, we're
wow,
all good.
let's
We can
work
work on the DS.
Yeah, we're on the DS, and then all of a sudden we
We
have
have 3 carts sitting out
yeah,
there.
Right.
yeah. So everybody needs work done. So there's no shortage of business in golf karting world. You know, the shop is here. You know, and you can Google us, but we don't even like put on Google that we're here yet.
Yeah,
you
it's
know,
not
'cause
like-
we don't,
yeah.
we don't need people.
That's why I had to
knocking
text you to get the address.
Exactly.
Because I did look. And I
on-
was-
Exactly.
yeah.
It's kind of like this is like our clubhouse.
It's
so,
kind of, yeah. If
Yeah.
you know, you know.
If you
kind
know,
of
you
thing.
know.
Yeah.
This isn't like
That's
you're
cool.
not going to one of the other shops that's got people there all the time,
Yeah.
and they're cranking out stuff as quick
So
as
this video obviously will be evergreen. It'll be out there for a long time. But
Yeah, be
as
out
of
here
right
forever.
now, we're in June of 26. You guys are planning on doing some stuff. What can you share, if you want to share, about the whole PGA thing, or you want to tease that a little bit? What do you?
Oh, I mean,
they're in
shout
the
out to
Carolinas.
Lithium Rhino in the Carolinas.
There you go.
They had this great idea to have a build off for the PGA show, and we got us, Liberty, Jacob Scholl from Liberty, and Ryan Fenters from Fentertainment. 2 other really large YouTube followings and social media
Yep.
followings, and
Yep.
they're definitely golf cart influencers in the game. And it's going to be us versus them.
So you're doing
You
a
know,
build
every
off.
man-
A
we're
golf
having,
cart
we're having a
build-off.
build off for the
Okay.
PGA show.
It will be what? Crowd.
The crowd's going to vote.
You're
So
gonna- okay.
yeah, so all the
you'll have a
patrons-
cart in their booth.
We're
in
gonna
the
have
lithium
three.
rhino
There are gonna be
booth.
3 lithium rhino powered
Got it.
carts in the booth.
Sweet.
No holds
Four-seaters.
bars. Yeah, the only
Or
the
2 or
only
4-seater.
the only thing is the size limitation because
Yeah.
it's PGA show. It's very expensive,
Got
as
it.
you know.
Understood. Yeah.
So we're gonna keep it to the size of a 4-passenger golf cart. So it's about 10 feet.
Got it.
That's the only limit. Is the cart can't be longer than 10 feet.
Okay.
So
you're not all building like off the same platform to do the
no,
same.
it could be whatever
it's
you
totally
want.
creative.
Yep.
Then it's powered by lithium rhino.
we kind of
Yep.
know what we're doing. We have an idea. We actually
We
have the
do.
donor in the back. We'll show you, maybe
Okay.
off camera.
Yeah.
Off camera.
We'll show you
Yeah.
what we got.
Cool.
But our paid subscribers on our YouTube channel know what we're doing.
Yeah.
And we're going to probably keep the build on there. If
Yep.
anybody wants to follow along, Cart Life TV, you can join. But we're going to build something really special for the PGA show. And hopefully,
fun.
hopefully teach those guys a lesson.
I'm coming for you.
Jacob.
Well, I'm excited to see what that's going to do. I really appreciate you guys having me out here again. Again, we're kind of showing the progress. And maybe
You're
I'll-
always welcome, man.
I'll
You don't
put
even
in
need to call
links.
ahead.
I
You
know.
could just walk in if you need a place to crash. You know.
There, yeah, got my safe right
We
there.
got a lounge chair back
Yeah,
there.
Yeah,
It's a little more
even
comfortable.
better, even better. And
Shower?
toilet, shower.
Yeah,
I
we
mean,
do
I
have a
got-
shower. I
got
keep
the
forgetting
whole-
we have
yeah.
a shower here.
I could literally, if I don't have my trailer, I could just pop right in and
Crash. Yeah, man.
That's great. But for real, this has been awesome. I love seeing the progression of things.
Yeah.
Love seeing what you guys are doing, and love to be a part of it. This has been fantastic.
Oh, we appreciate you big
Good-
time.
Yeah, good to see you guys again. This
Yeah.
is great.
Awesome, man.
Cartlife.com, Cartlife TV on YouTube, lowspeedliving.com, Mike and Joe. It's fantastic. Great to have you guys.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Appreciate you
Peace.
guys.